Complete Blood Count (CBC) Test. A complete blood count (CBC) test is one of the most common blood tests used to evaluate overall health and detect a wide range of disorders, including anemia, infection, and certain blood cancers. It measures several components and features of your blood, providing valuable insights into how well your body is functioning. Key components of a CBC test: red blood cells, RBCs. These cells carry oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. The test measures RBC count, total number of red blood cells; hemoglobin, HB, the protein that carries oxygen; hematocrit, HCT, the proportion of blood made up of red blood cells. Abnormal levels can indicate anemia, dehydration, or other conditions. White blood cells, WBCs. These cells help fight infections. The WBC count shows the total number of white blood cells, while a differential count breaks down the types: neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils, and basophils. High or low counts can signal infection, inflammation, or immune system disorders. Platelets. Platelets are responsible for blood clotting. The platelet count helps assess bleeding or clotting disorders. Low platelets may cause excessive bleeding, while high levels can increase the risk of clot formation. Mean corpuscular volume, MCV. This measures the average size of red blood cells. It helps classify anemia as microcytic, small cells, normocytic, normal size, or macrocytic, large cells. Mean corpuscular hemoglobin, MCH, and mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration, MCHC. These values indicate the amount and concentration of hemoglobin in red blood cells, aiding in diagnosing different types of anemia. Why a CBC test is done? Doctors may recommend a CBC test to evaluate overall health during a routine checkup, diagnose conditions like anemia or infection, monitor medical treatments that affect blood cells, track chronic conditions such as leukemia or autoimmune diseases. Preparation and procedure. No special preparation is usually needed. A small blood sample is drawn from a vein, typically in the arm. The process takes only a few minutes and causes minimal discomfort. Interpreting results. CBC results are compared to normal reference ranges, which can vary by age, sex, and laboratory standards. Abnormal results don't always indicate disease. They may require further testing or evaluation by a healthcare provider. A CBC test is a simple yet powerful diagnostic tool that provides a snapshot of your blood health and helps guide further medical decisions.